welcome to the series of video tutorials on the new features of BricsCAD V23. In these tutorials, we will discuss features unique to BricsCAD V23. One of the cool things about BricsCAD is that it's highly customizable. In the older releases of BricsCAD, we have to give settings command to do this. You can give settings command by clicking on the settings icon in the access toolbar on top. And you will get the settings dialog, which consists of number of options, which can be overwhelming, especially if you are new to BricsCAD. To improve the user experience, we have moved some of the most frequently used settings to a dedicated quick start dialog called interface settings. You can see interface settings on the right side in the access toolbar. I'll click on interface settings and you will get interface settings dialog. In this dialog, there are three layouts: classic, modern and toolbars. Now I'm in the classic layout. I'll click on modern and apply, and you can see that the layout gets changed to modern. Ribbon is common in both these interfaces. As with most of the software packages, ribbon is a graphical panel at the top of the workspace displaying collection of tools and commands as icons. I'll go back to interface settings. Now I'll click on toolbars layout and apply. This sets the interface to a layout using only toolbars, and ribbon will be closed. Now the difference between classic, modern and toolbars interface is clear from this illustration. Theme defines the color theme of the interface. Dark sets the interface theme to dark, and light sets the interface theme to light. By default, the dark theme is selected. Now I'll click on light theme and apply. Now you can see that the interface theme is changed to light. I'll bring it back to dark. The panel system defines how panels should be displayed when open. Docked organizes the panels in a docked way. Floating organizes the panels in a floating way. And tabbed organizes the panel in a tabbed way. For example, I'll click on tabbed and apply. Now you can see that the various panels in the tool panel are organized in various tabs. If you want to activate a panel, just click on that tab. Now layer panel is active. When you click on attach, the attachments panel is active. Likewise, you can activate individual panels. I'll click on interface settings, click on docked and apply. Now you can see that all panels are docked to make maximum space in the model space. The general section allows you to toggle on and off several interface components. You can turn off and on the status bar by clicking on this toggle button. I'll turn off the status bar and apply. Now you can see that the status bar got turned off. Next, I'll turn on the status bar and turn on show command line. Now the command line is turned on. The menu bar can be turned on and off. I'll turn off the menu bar and apply. Now the menu bar on top got hidden. Previously, this was done using corresponding commands. For example, if you want to toggle the menu bar, you have to give the menu bar command. And I'll give the value 1. Now the menu bar will reappear. Customize workspace displays the Customize dialog box, which allows you to customize the interface to your own preferences in a more detailed way. Another interesting interface enhancement in BricsCAD V23 is the new ribbon with a modern look. To access this new ribbon, I'll click on Settings to access the Settings dialog box, and I'll type Use New Ribbon System Variable in the search box. And just click on Enable the new ribbon after restart option. Now I'll close the dialog box and I'll restart the BricsCAD software. This is the new interface after restart, and here you can see the new ribbon with a modern look. There is a search bar in the upper left corner of this ribbon which will let you easily locate a tool in BricsCAD. For example, if you want to locate the Blockify tool, all you have to do is just type block at the search bar. When you type block, the software filters out all the tools with block in it. Now I'll click on Blockify to invoke this command. In this new ribbon, there is convenient spacing between each icons. And you can also see interface settings at the upper right corner of this ribbon. This completes the tutorial on some of the features of the new interface in BricsCAD V23. Thanks for your time.